Look, I want the best for you, and that's why I need to tell you about this hair care ingredient that the FDA is concerned about. You know at least one person that has used a permanent straightening hair product. Maybe it was your mom, your grandma, or maybe it was you. We saw a shift of people going from straight to natural in the 2000s and 2010s based on a variety of reasons. But do you really know why? Aside from embracing your natural texture, people were low-key, high-key concerned about their health. This ingredient that I'm about to tell you affected people in both minor and major ways. Formaldehyde is used in many permanent hair straightening products, such as heat-activated keratin treatments and Brazilian blowouts. Long-term use can increase the risk of asthma, headaches, and contact dermatitis. The FDA is also concerned about the increased risk of uterine, breast, and ovarian cancer in Black women. Y'all, we need to be careful about what we are using. There are also products that slowly release very small amounts of formaldehyde over time to preserve products. While deemed safe by the FDA because of low exposure, some people just want to avoid exposure completely. And we don't blame you. Here are those ingredients. Personally, I believe the less weird chemicals, the better. So look for products that include all natural ingredients like Shedavi, or products that include majorly natural ingredients. Bye.